Now that you've seen the customer ordering experience, let's go over the Open Dining Administrative Dashboard and discuss some of the system's back-end features and options. All restaurant clients get access to this dashboard, which is specific to each store location. There's a lot to unpack in the dashboard, so we won't be covering everything in this video, but we will be highlighting some of the most important and commonly used features and settings. This is the main page that you'll see when you log into your dashboard. From here, you can see some high-level stats. You can access more detailed stats by clicking Reports at the top. From here, you can set a date range and see more detailed information such as number of orders, revenues, order and payment breakdowns, item breakdowns, best and new customers, feedback ratings, and so on. From this page, you can also manage the report notifications that are automatically emailed to you by our system. By clicking Orders at the top, you can view a chronological listing of your restaurant's entire order history. From here, you can search through orders by any number of fields, as well as export your order history to Excel or CSV for any desired date range that you'd like. By clicking into an order, we can see all of the order details. If the order was prepaid, you can refund the customer for any reason, either a partial or full refund, and you can attach a personal note. Alternatively, you can send the customer one of the coupons you've created, which they can use for a future online order. For example, if there was only a minor issue, such as the customer having to wait an extra few minutes for their order. Let's click Menu at the top. From here, you can view and manage your restaurant's online ordering menu. Our user-friendly menu dashboard makes it quick and easy to set up your menu and make ongoing changes. If we click into an item, we can see all of the item details, including name and description, pricing, and all of the item's modifiers, or options as we call them. From here, you can limit the availability of items to certain hours, days, or dates, upload an image for the item, and access a number of advanced options. From Settings at the top, you can access all of the necessary areas to configure your online ordering system. The General Settings tab contains the majority of your restaurant's basic settings, such as your restaurant's name, contact information, logo, and header art. Other basic settings are set here, such as whether your restaurant accepts takeout or delivery, minimum dollar amounts, and order lead time. The numbers you set here will determine the default lead times that are quoted to your customers for both preparation of food and extra delivery time. However, jumping down to our order timing tools, we can see that our system allows you to automatically alter the lead times that you quote your customers based on a variety of factors. For example, time of day. From here, you can set alternate lead times for your busy periods, such as during the lunch rush or during the main dinner hours on Friday and Saturday nights. You can also have the system automatically adjust your customers' quoted lead times based on order volume. Here, you can specify that if you have more than a certain number of online orders within a 1-hour period, new orders will be quoted a longer lead time. Finally, you can also automatically quote additional lead time based on order size. You can specify that for any orders above a certain dollar amount, customers are quoted a longer lead time. All these order timing rules can be used to automatically alter and quote your restaurant's delivery times as well. Moving on to a few more features we'd like to highlight, let's take a look at our delivery settings. Restaurants that use Open Dining for their delivery orders have the ability to go with a simple delivery radius or zip code. Alternatively, you can use our Delivery Zones feature to create custom zones in order to quote your customers with varying delivery fees and lead times. Here, you can see that you can hand draw zones on a map using your cursor. For this first zone, we'll say that delivery is free and that it takes 15 minutes. We can then draw a secondary zone where we charge $5 for delivery and quote a 20-minute delivery time. There's no limit to the number of zones that you can create. Next, let's take a look at our coupons feature and start talking about our various customer retention tools.